Hi everyone, thank you for coming today. This is Mike Makers from makersgeneration.net. So today we see how to make a simple walking robot. Gonna be actually this one. This is a 3D printed robot. This one is a prototype, so I still need to improve it, but I do that with you. So as you can see, this is a simple DC robot. It can work with 6-volt battery, even 3-volt batteries. And today we focus on the design, 3D design of the software. We use Freecad software just right here. We'll talk about it in a minute. But I want to stay focused with you now on the working robot. So this robot, you can see the design. You can find it online. You can buy it online also for 10, 15, 20 bucks. Pretty cheap, not too much. But I decided to design it. So it comes with different parts. Here you got the arm here, you got the joint here, you got the chassis just right here, and you got the long joint just right here. Today we focus on the arm. So we designed the arm, and also we designed the joint just right here. So we focus on that for today. In the next session we finish by the chassis, because we see a bit much more how Freecad works. So we designed the chassis and also the fabric that connect the motor to the arms. So when you first open it, this is the home page that appears just right here. And after that, you got different benches here. You choose part, and after that you click on this, which is creating a new project. And I want now to create the joint that we just saw before. So it's going to be a cylinder. So for this, you got different object here. You got a square, you got a ball, you got a cone. We just need a cylinder. So we click on this one, and you click. You choose them. You click on it on the cylinder, and you can see here his radius, its height, and its angle, meaning it's 360. You can have a half a cylinder, or that type of thing I can show you. It's in type 180, so you have half a cylinder. So we want a full cylinder with type 360. So the height that we want is 50 for our object, and we want radius on 1.45. So not 30. So you got this, and you have this, and after that we're supposed to 3D print it. So to do this, you select it, you left click on the mouse, you go to file, and you click on export. When you want to export, you go to the different extension, you click on STL mesh, and you give it a name. You give it I don't know what, and you click on record. So that's the first part for the cylinder. And after that, you can close the file. No, I don't want, because I already did it. Then you could create a new project, so you can click on this one too. After that, you change the workbench. You go to part design, just right here. So what we want to do, the arm. So what is nice with this, we got a tool here to make an arm. So you go here to create a new sketch, and we do it on XZ. It's just the reference you want to make it on, because you on XY, XZ, or YZ. So we go on XZ, just right here. There we go. And after that, we use this tool. As you can see, this is our famous arm that we had before. So there we go. I want a size of 70 for the length. So I click on this, and after that you go here, and you choose this to fix a size for the horizontal lines. So we click on this, and we type on 70. We want a distance between the two lines to be 10 millimeters. So click on this, between this one and this one, and we click on this, and we want it to be at 10. It should be like this. So now we also want to add 2 holes for the jointer to go through it. So we go to the workbench here, and we click on this circle here. We draw a circle. We want circle to be here, so we click on the circle just right here, and also your point just right here, and you click on that and you change place. And we want the circle to be 2 millimeters, so we click on it just like this. It becomes green, and you click on this schematic just right here to fix the radius, and you click on it, and it works like this. And after that, you do the same thing. We want to create also circle here, so grab it here, we click on it here, and we create one just right here by holding down the left click on the mouse. It should be like this. And we do the same thing again to place the circle on this point just right here, and it should be like this. And now you can click on it again, and on the circle it should be 2 millimeters. There we go. Now I want to put the arm at the origin just right here. So what we can do is we click here, this point here. Okay, let me zoom it for you. And we also click on this middle. So this and this gonna be at equal distance from this line. By clicking on this, you're gonna do it like this. So we move it a little bit down, kind of have the horizontal line in the middle of those two. We do the same for horizontal part 2. So let me zoom in for you. We click on this point, the middle here, and now we're okay. And I also want a last circle in the middle for the joint to be able to go through it too. And this one, we choose this one, and we draw the circle. Like before, we want it to be in the middle, so we click here, say go to the middle, and we want the radius to be 2 millimeters. So we go back to fix the radius of the circle, and we put it on 2 millimeters, and we click on OK. Now we can close the sketch. We finish the drawing part. We want now to draw a 3D model of this. So to do this, we do an extrusion, and we use usually this tool just right here. We click on this, and you have this window that happen, and here it has you to put the length, or otherwise the thickness of it. So I choose it to be 4 millimeters. You can put 3 if you want to. That work like this. So we can see what it looks like now. So we have the different view here, the front view, the top view, side view. Let's have a 3D view so we see what it looks like. So it's pretty nice now. In like less than 10 minutes we did that. So now we select our object just right here, or we can go to model and click on this last thing, click on pad, we go to file, export, and we choose as we remember for the first one, STL mesh if we want it to be 3D printed, and you give it a name. I click on cancel, but you should click on record, save. Sorry. This is the first part of this project for the 3D design part. The next time I draw the chassis and the part between, but we link the motor to the arms, and we also have more the assembling video too, and also the different part for the electronics and the wiring. So thank you for tuning in, and see you soon.